name is Keisha Aurelia Ariputri, and my last student ID number is 243. So this is a part of class project, and I'm really excited to tell you guys about my favorite manga series. If you love like crime or clever characters, mystery, I bet you will love this manga. Can you guess what is it? So, this is ta-da! Moriarty the Patriot manga series. So, actually this is not all of my collection yet because I still have so many at home, but since I'm now in my boarding house, so I only brought 4 of them. I have the first one is the red one. It's Moriarty the Patriot, and the second one is this. I'm sorry. The second one is this, and the third one is this. And I brought the number 7 because yeah, I love this one. So this is some of my collection of Moriarty the Patriot manga. This manga is written by Ryosuke Takeuchi and illustrated by Hikaru Miyoshi. And this story is based on Detective Sherlock Holmes. Yes, that famous Detective Sherlock Holmes in those novel series. I mean, I bet so many people know about those novel series because that is really famous. And this story is tell us about James Moriarty. So, if in the novel we have Sherlock Holmes as the main character, in this manga we have James Moriarty, which is his rival, as the main character. So this one is Moriarty, James Moriarty, and this one is Sherlock Holmes. In this story, we have William James Moriarty as the main character, which is he wanna change the world, but actually his methods it's not really nice, it's not legal. So just like what I mentioned before, this manga is more focused on James Moriarty as the main character. So let's just talk about him. William James Moriarty is originally an orphan, and he gets adopted into a noble family. And that's when he starts to realize how unfair the British society is. How the rich can get away with anything while the poor is suffering. So when he gets older, he decides to change the system by become a crime consultant. William James Moriarty has 2 brothers. The first one is Albert James Moriarty, and the second one is Louis James Moriarty. With his 2 brothers, he changed the British system by becoming a crime consultant. As the crime consultant, William James Moriarty and his 2 brothers have to solve some cases, which is most of them are criminal acts committed by nobles. Just like what I mentioned before, British society is unfair. So when the nobles do criminal acts, they didn't get punished. That's why William and his brothers make sure every criminals get punished even though they are not doing it in a legal way. Because William James Moriarty has a brilliant mind, that's why when he and his brother punished the nobles, they didn't get caught by the cops. That's until Sherlock Holmes comes. So because Sherlock Holmes is a detective, that's why he helps the cops to investigate some strange cases caused by Moriarty. That's all I can tell you about Moriarty the Patriot stories. So if you into dark themes or physiological drama, or maybe you just love good mystery, I definitely recommend you to read this manga. Or if you don't want to read it, you can also watch the anime, because this manga is already adapted into an anime. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you find this manga interesting and maybe you can check it out later. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Dadah!